What's up, guys? Frank here from my home in New York, and I just wanted to show you what I personally discovered to trade the Forex, the foreign exchange, right from my fingertips. It's so easy that I think my 7-year-old daughter can do this. If you could copy and paste, you can easily learn how to trade the Forex. It comes along with a simple cell phone app that I use on my iPhone, and the app is called the Swipe Trades app. I'm going to show it to you right now. Just take a look at this. The Swipe Trades app is right here. It's this green app here, and I'm going to open it up. When you open it up, you get trade signals directly from a multitude of professional traders. When they see a setup on their trades, they're going to send it out to the cell phone app for you to actually see the trade, the entry point, the stop loss, and even give you the trade setup for you. So if I come over here and I get this alert, you see it says new trade idea. I simply have to hit the green button here, and all my data as far as the pair, the time frame is a daily, it's a sell stop, the price entry point, and what's pretty cool too is that they will actually give you some details down below. It's that simple. So, but what I want to show you guys is now I take this data and come over to my trading app, okay, which on my phone I keep right next to it. Okay, so I just come over here and tap this, and I have the pair set up for you guys already. All right, and what I simply do is hit this trade button on the top corner. Okay, and I come back to, watch how simple this is. I don't even have to look at my phone. I come back to the Swipe Trades app, and I will take the data by simply copying and pasting. Hopefully you can see this. I hit this little button right here with the entry point, and it says, if you can see this, data successfully copied. So if you can copy, and now watch how easy this is. I've popped back into my trading app, and I will do this right here, a sell, and watch this, guys. So you see the cursor up there? It says paste. I paste, and the data's in there. Then I can execute the trade. But what I really want to tell you guys is that this is so simple, but I do want to show you guys more about what our trading tools can do for you. And what we did was we set up a Facebook group with tens of thousands of people in it. Actually, it's over 50,000 people already are taking a look at this. And you feel free to join the group. Of course, you can leave the group at any time. Just click the Leave Now button, and it's no problem. But I do want you guys to check this out. And all you have to do is to be part of our Facebook group is simply drop a 1 below this video. All right, so go to the comment section, like this video, drop a 1 below. I'm going to personally message you and then reply to your comment. Once I do send you the details, you'll request access to the group, and I will approve your request. And just check out the content that we deliver, guys. It's really that simple. Trading has never been so much fun. It's never been so easy. And we just break that barrier of entry that's so difficult for most people. I've never been so successful trading and enjoying it. So, guys, check it out. And I'm going to get back to trading. This is a great day, guys, so enjoy it. Be well.